how to fix Google Drive waiting to upload error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive waiting to upload error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Drive and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click data usage, and this one background data, maybe you'll find it like that, just allow it, and then click power usage details, maybe you will find launch settings, you will find run in background like that, just disable manage automatically and allow it and click ok. And now go to storage, clear cache, and then force stop and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.